Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. English is a source of international communication. So many people are trying to learn English. English increases your chances of getting a job in a multinational companies within your home country or for finding work abroad. It's also the language of international communication, the media and the internet. So, learning English is important for socializing and entertainment as well as work. Let's look at the top 4 reasons why studying English is so important. English is the language of international communication. Second, English is the language of business. Third, speaking English gives us access to a world of entertainment. Fourth, learning English gives us access to more of the internet. Although learning English can be challenging and time consuming, we can see that it is also very valuable to learn and can create many opportunities. Vocabulary is the important point for better communication. Vocabulary improves all areas of communication: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. This YouTube channel is small step towards the helping you guys to improve your vocabulary. In this YouTube channel, I will take trending news vocabulary meaning in simple English as well as Hindi also. It will help you to improve your vocabulary. Watch this video till the end and don't forget to like the video, comment, share and subscribe. Let's move to the topic. Our first phrase is India 22,252 new cases, 467 fatalities in 24 hours. There is one word, fatalities. The meaning of fatalities is deaths. In Hindi we can say मौत, मृत्यु. The meaning of phrase in Hindi is भारत में 22,252 नए मामले सामने आए और 467 लोगों की मौत हुई. Our next headline is COVID mortality rate in India at 2.8%. The meaning of mortality rate is the ratio of the deaths in an area to the population of that area expressed per thousand per year. We say in Hindi as मृत्यु दर. The meaning of whole phrase in Hindi is भारत का कोविड मृत्यु दर 2.8% है. Let's move to the next headline. Big setback for Indian students in US. The definition of a setback is an interruption in progress. We say in Hindi as बाधा, रोक, विघ्न, रुकावट. The meaning of sentence in Hindi is अमेरिका में पढ़ने वाले भारतीय विद्यार्थियों को बड़ी रुकावट. Our next headline is Sushant death probe. The meaning of probe is an inquiry into unfamiliar or questionable activities. The meaning of probe in Hindi is जांच, छानबीन, तहकीकात, जांच पड़ताल. Let's know the meaning of phrase in Hindi. सुशांत के मौत की तहकीकात. Move to the next headline. Maharashtra Finance Department rejects proposal to subsidize inflated power bills. There is one word, inflated. The meaning of inflated is enlarged beyond truth or reasonableness. In Hindi, बड़ा हुआ, हवा भरा हुआ. Let we know the meaning of entire phrase in Hindi. वित्त विभाग ने बढ़े हुए बिजली बिलों को सब्सिडी देने के प्रस्ताव को खारिज कर दिया. Note one thing guys, the meaning of some sentences it's not depend upon actual meaning, it's depend upon context of the sentence as per this sentence. Our last headline is Riya summoned again for questioning. Summoned is a past participle of summon. Meaning of summoned in simple English is a request to be present. In Hindi we can say बटोरना, बुलवाना, बुलावा भेजना. The meaning of sentence in Hindi is रिया को पूछताछ के लिए फिर से बुलाया गया. Thanks for watching till the end. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. I am waiting for your overwhelming response. I will be back very soon with new updates.